Now let us learn basic geometrical ideas. Dear friends, geometry has long and rich history. The term geometry in English is equivalent of Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. The geometrical ideas shaped up in ancient times. Magnificent palaces, temples, lakes, dams, cities, art and architecture. Here you will learn some interesting facts that will help you know more about the shapes around you. Interesting, isn't it? So let us begin. Points. Take a sharp tip of pencil. Mark a dot on the paper. This almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of a point. A point determines a location. They are denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, etc. Line segment. Take a piece of paper. Now fold it and now unfold it. The fold on paper gives the idea of a line segment. Following are some models for a line segment. First one is line. Imagine that the line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction. You now get a model for a line. A line through points A and B is written as AB. It extends indefinitely in both directions, so it contains a countless number of points. Intersecting lines. If two lines L1 and L2 pass through the point P, we say that L1 and L2 intersect at P. If two lines have one common point, then they are called intersecting lines. Let us see perpendicular line. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. If line AB is perpendicular to CD, we can see plenty of examples of perpendicular lines around us. For example, take the alphabet T. Even the alphabet L is also an example of perpendicular lines. Edges of postcard are also perpendicular to each other. Now, look at this figure. Let AB be a line segment. Let us mark its midpoint M. Let MN be a line perpendicular to AB through M. Now MN bisects AB, that is, it divides AB into two equal parts and is also perpendicular to AB. So we say that MN is perpendicular bisector of AB. Lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are parallel lines. Line L and line K in the plane E are parallel to each other. It is written as line L, two vertical lines, line K, meaning line L is parallel to line K. Ray. A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in the other direction. In science, you study the properties of light by drawing the ray diagrams. For example, to study the refraction of light when traveling from one medium to other, also the reflection of light, we need to use the properties of lines and their angles. To find the height of tower or to find the distance of ship from the lighthouse, one needs to know the angle formed between the horizontal and the line of sight.